Okay, let's keep plugging right along. Part C says, everyone knows that 7 times 4 equals 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Explain how this is shown on the table. Okay, now of course, I can look right here, 7 times 4, and I can go find 7 times 4. Look at that. 7 times 4 gives me 28. But I am supposed to be explaining how 7 times 4 is the same as 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. So I'm going to look on my chart up here, and I'm going to see 5 times 4. That equals 20. And 2 times 4. Oh, where are my 2's? That equals 8. So 20 plus 8, we know, equals 28. Now, explain how I just used the table to answer this question. Our last question for the page. Use what you know to find the product of 7 times 16, or 8 sevens plus 8 sevens. Okay, this is a challenge problem. I want you to spend 3 minutes trying to solve this. If you can't get it, that's fine. Move on. We'll talk about it during math groups. Let me read it again. I know you can do this. Use what you know to find the product of 7 times 16. It's not on here, but you can use this chart to help you. Or 8 sevens plus 8 sevens. I'm just going to give you one tiny hint. 7 times 16 equals 8 times 7, 8 sevens plus 8 times 7, 8 sevens. I just took what they have here, 7 times 16, or 8 sevens plus 8 sevens, and I turned it into a math sentence. Now it's your job to use the chart to make this make sense. Again, question D, challenge problem, bonus problem. Spend 3 minutes trying to solve it if you can't figure it out. Totally fine. We'll talk about it during math groups at 10:30. A, B, and C should be done. D, challenge bonus problem.